FLOORZZ.com. We're here in our Daltile Resource Design Center, and I wanted to show you one of our hottest selling products. This is called Quartetto. It's an 8x8 porcelain tile that's made to mimic some of the concrete ceramic tiles that are hand painted. But this is actually solid porcelain, so it's very impermeable. You put it in a bathroom, you don't have to worry about resealing it. It comes in 24 different colors and numerous different patterns. Very beautiful looking. It also comes with a nice coordinating field tile. If you're doing a bathroom, fireplace, backsplash, and you want something very special, this is an excellent product for you. Once again, I'm Mike Anderson, FLOORZZ.com. Feel free to contact us with any questions.